BPSOS-Houston was established from 1999. At that time, we had only 2 staff, and now we currently have 15 staff to serve the second largest Vietnamese population in the United States of approximately 130,000 individuals.
Under domestic violence and human trafficking, most of our cases are going to be family law and immigration. Under our basic civil legal services, it can range anywhere from probate to property to wills. It's so expansive.
Domestic violence program reach out to individuals who are in an abusive relationship. Victims come to see offer assistance with advice and information regarding of the divorce, protective order, shelter, or even welfare, child support, Medicaid, and other public assistance.
We try to help a lot of these survivors find closure and become independent from their abusers. We also seek reparations for them so they can restore their lives, continue to support themselves as well as their children. Being self-sufficient is always a key to restoration.
It brings knowledge to the community, and it helps the community in solving most of the issues.
The program allows us to help and assist in the filings of many different immigration forms and family sponsorships.
This is a disaster case management program to provide case management to Hurricane Ike survivors. The program was officially launched in June of 2009. We mainly serve limited English proficient communities, so we actually are able to reach out a lot of underserved communities. Aside from obtaining unmet needs and long-term recovery assistance to our clients, we also help people to prepare for future disasters. Essentially, we have been able to advocate for our clients, especially those living in the Gulf Coast, working as shrimpers or crappers. They lost a lot and they couldn't go back to work. So we were able to secure them with fishing nets, money to repair their motors, and now they're able to go back to sea, work, and support their family.
We try to provide free or low-cost health screenings, education, and awareness for the Vietnamese community in the greater Houston area. The program has been around for 5 years now, and we've served from anything from seasonal flu shots to cancer screenings and treatment if they are diagnosed. One of our main focus have always been reducing disparities in cancer, because a lot of the Vietnamese population are at risk for certain cancers like breast and cervical cancer, colon cancer, prostate cancer, etc. And sometimes there's just not enough resources or they don't know where to go. So part of our job is to point them in the right direction. And we consider that a big success because we're the point of contact for the Vietnamese community.
My job is to assist clients to obtain social services and other community resources. The seniors are very happy with the program because every week we have a seniors meeting and we have Tai Chi class, and each month we have a film trip for seniors. I consider this program a success because we provide the foundation of empowerment for seniors, and so their needs are fully represented.
The ESL program has helped the students tremendously because the teachers are bilingual and they're able to learn the language not only in English, but to understand it better because it's explained in their own language. We had over 70 students who became U.S. citizens who passed their tests, and our success rate, I say, is 99.9%. Although we had one student who didn't pass on the first try, but he passed on the second try.
VSL is short for Vietnamese as a Second Language. It's a class designed to help our 1.5 to 2nd generation Vietnamese American staff members. And this class is designed to help them to empower themselves by learning their mother tongue. As for our non-Vietnamese students, the aim of the class is to introduce them to the beauty of our language as well as culture. It's, to me, it's an essential core experience to not only to increase their ability to read and write, but it's also important for them to engage in conversation with fellow Vietnamese speakers with confidence.
BPSOS Monthly is a bilingual publication. We launched this program in 2002. This program has a circulation of 40,000 copies a month, and that go to 15 states across the U.S. My site was used to target hard-to-reach households and small Vietnamese communities because these communities have cultural and language barriers, and they do not have enough Vietnamese language source of news or information. We are now collaborating with other Vietnamese media outlets, and that helps us to reach out over 50% of the Vietnamese community across the U.S. And with the website only, we receive 3,000 hits per day.